We learned about P of A union B, isn't it? And what is P of A union B? Aditya Satyan, can you give the formula? What is P of A union B?
P of E plus P of F.
P of E plus P of F
And
minus P of E intersection F. Okay, P of E union F means P of E plus P of F minus P of E intersection F. Suppose A instead of E and F, if I use the alphabet A and B, what is the formula? If it is E and F, we'll be telling in terms of E and F. Suppose it is A and B. What is P of A union B? Atul.
P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B.
Yes, very good. Okay, yes. If A and B are disjoints, in that case, when will you say two sets to be disjoints? If it is disjoint, when will you say
Intersection B is empty.
A intersection B is empty? So in that case, P of A union B will be same as P of A plus P of B. P of A union B will be same as P of A plus P of B. Okay? Thing I want to say, yesterday, our chairman sir informed all the teachers to stop the class if your videos are off. If you have any network issue, we inform sir, either Joshi sir or sir. Is it clear? If you okay, otherwise all the time your video should be on. If it is off, what sir said is you can stop the class. Okay? Okay, we teachers should follow what the source order. So if your videos, every time when I share the screen now itself, most of your videos were off. Why? If you have any such issues, you inform sir. Is it clear? Okay, children, write down the problem, write the question. Okay. So if you take deck of cards, how many cards are there? If you take deck of cards, how
52.
many? 52. Out of 52 cards, how many are red and how many are black in color? How many are red in color and how many are black in color? Gayatri? Yes, out of 52. How many cards are red in color and how many are black in color? Yes. Gayatri, can you give the answer? If you take 52 cards, how many are red in color and how many are black in color?
26 are red and 26 are black.
Very good. Okay. 26 will be red in color. If you take this 26, we can further divide this into this 26 red cards. We can split this into 13 heart shapes, isn't it? And 13 diamonds. 13 heart and 13 diamonds. Okay. If you take the 26 black cards, okay, if you take the 26 black cards, okay, there are 26 black cards. That 26 black cards, further you can divide it into 13 spades and 13 club. 13 spade and 13 club. Okay, among this 13, if you take this one set, if you take one deck of cards, if you take one deck, you will get all these steps. Now, if you take this 13, these 13 we can further divide it into number cards. Number cards means cards with the numbers. One is it there? Emmanuel? They will be having card with number 1. No,
Yes,
is it?
no, ma'am.
No. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you will get 9 number cards. If you take this 13, out of this 13 cards, 9 are number cards. Then ace, you will get ace. Ace means the card with A. You will get 1 ace of heart. Okay, 1 in diamonds, 1 in spade, and 1 in club. And the next one is face cards. What is under face cards? King, queen, and jack. King, queen, and jack are the face cards. So total, okay, 10. Here you will get, if you take one suit, if you take one type, if you take one diamond set, in diamond set you will get 3 face cards. If you take number cards, there will be 9 number cards and there is 1 ace. So total you will get 13 cards. Okay, the next problem is based on this cards. Is it clear? Now answer my question, children. You copied this one? You all copied? Shall I
Yes,
ask?
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. How many red face cards will be there? How many red face cards are there? Michael?
6.
6. Very good. Red face cards are 6. Okay. Then Aditya? Aditya is Raj. How many black aces are there? How many black aces?
Ma'am, 2.
2. Yes, correct. Achyut? How many black number cards are there? How many black number cards are there?
18, ma'am.
18. 18 black number cards are there. Rijas. Rijas, how many face cards are there? How many face cards?
12.
12. Okay, how many face cards? 12. In each type you will get 3. Okay, now based on this, let's do the problem. Write the question. A card is drawn. A card is drawn. A card is drawn from the deck of. A card is drawn from the deck of 52 cards. Emmanuel, find the probability. Find the probability that it is. Find the probability that it is. First one. First one. First one. A club, a 3 of club. A 3 of club or a 3 of club or a 6 of diamonds or a 6 of diamonds. Second one, a 10 or a spade. A 10 or a spade. Third one, neither a 4 nor a club. Neither a 4 nor a club. A card is drawn at random from a deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that first one, a club of 3 or a 6 of diamonds, or a 10 or a spade. Neither a 4 nor a club. How to do this? Okay, so let's do the first one. Okay, we are going to solve the first one. Okay, so first one, suppose A8 denotes getting 3 of club. Getting 3 of club. So can you tell me the probability? What is the probability of getting a club with 3? How many times you will get? Femina, a 3 of club. Okay. From the club, you should get 1 3. So how many times it is possible? What is the probability?
Ma'am, 1.
Yes, very good. It is 1. So it is 1 by 52. Total number of cards is 52. Okay, now take the second case, a 6 of diamonds. Now let us take B denotes a 6 of diamonds. Aishwarya, what is P of B? What is P of B? Getting a 6 of diamonds.
1 by 52.
1 by 52. Very good. Now, what is A intersection B? Is it possible to get both? The 3 of club and you should get a 3 of club and a 6 of diamond. Is it possible to get a card like this? Atul? Is it possible to get a card
No,
like
ma'am.
no? So P of A intersection will be 0. Now we are asked to find OR. OR means union. A or B means we have to find union. So we have to find P of A union B. So what is P of A union B? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So substitute the values and find out. Michael, calculate and give me the answer. Substitute the values and tell me what is P of A union B.
2 by 52.
It is 2 by 52. This one we can simplify, isn't it? When you simplify this, you will get 2 by 52. When you simplify this, 1 by. Is it correct, Achyut? Yes. Okay. Now do the second one. The same way, do the second one. A 10 or a spade. Here, you are not mentioning the suit. Okay, whether it belongs to spade, whether it belongs to heart, nothing is mentioned. Here, it is simply a 10. You need a card of 10. Here, it is spade. So you take A as 10, B as spade. And you have to find A union B. Do this. Try the second one. Is it clear? Is it okay, Michael? Aditya Satyan, is it okay? Anila Mohanan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Aditya, are you able to do the follow this one? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. A 10 or a spade. A 10 or a spade. Second one. Do the second one. So suppose we take, okay, can you, if you want, you can change the alphabet E, F and all. Okay, you can give your some notations. Suppose A denotes a 10. So what is P of A? Let B denotes taking a spade. So what is P of B? Then is it possible to find A intersection B? Whether you will be getting a spade with 10. Emmanuel, what is P of A, Emmanuel? P of A, probability of getting a 10.
4 by 52.
Very good. It is 4
1
by.
by 30.
You can simplify at the end. Okay, don't simplify then and all. Again, you have to take LCM if you want to add and all. So here, you keep it as such. Finally, we can simplify. Punya, what is the probability of getting spade? P of B?
13 by 52.
13 by 52. Now we have to find P of A intersection B. Naureen, what is P of A intersection B? Naureen? Naureen, what is P of A intersection B? Naureen? Okay, Shivani, give the answer, Shivani. What is A intersection B? A 10 in spades. Shivani? Shivani? Okay, Karthik? What is P of A intersection B?
1 by 52.
1 by 52. So now we have to find P of A union B. P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Apply the value and find out what is P of A union B. What is P of A union B? Aishwarya,
4 by 13.
4 by 13. Is it correct, children? Gauri, is the answer correct? Is it 4 by 13? Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, it is correct, Aishwarya. Okay, hope you all completed the first two. Now let's do the third one. Let's do the third one. Read the third one. What is given in the third one? Okay, third one is neither a 4 nor a club. Neither a 4 nor a club means what is it? What does it mean, children? Neither a 4 nor a club. That means we don't want 4 and we don't want club. Okay, complementary events. We don't want 4, we don't want club. So let us take, so let A denote getting a 4 and B denote getting a club. Okay, we want let A denote getting a 4 and B denote club. So what is the probability of getting 4? What is the probability of getting 4? How many times you will get 4? Punya?
4.
4 out of 52, isn't it? And P of B getting a club.
13.
13 by 52. What is A intersection B? A intersection B. What is in the A intersection B? A 4 with a club. 4 with a club. 4 with a club. So Anila Mohanan?
1.
1. So the probability is 1 by 52. Now what we want here, we don't want, okay, neither a 4 nor a club. So that means P of A bar intersection B bar. Is it clear? We want to find neither means not a spade, not a club, and not a 4. So we don't want both the events not to happen. So both the events we don't want. So we are putting and. So P of A bar intersection B bar. But what we know by A bar intersection B bar by De Morgan's law. What is A bar intersection B bar? It is same as what is A bar intersection B bar? By De Morgan's law, Rijas. What is A bar intersection B bar? Yes, in set theory, we have learned it. A dash union B dash is something. A dash intersection B dash is. These two laws we will be using it here. Okay, although we learned last year, this year we will be using this. Not last year, in this year beginning we have learned. What is A dash union B dash? Yeah, yes. It is A intersection B the whole dash. Okay, union will become intersection and that separate dash will become combined one. Similarly, A dash intersection B dash will be A union B the whole dash. So now look at here. Okay, instead of dash here we are using the notation bar. What is A bar intersection B bar? So it will be same as A union B the whole bar. It is A union B the whole bar. Now what is P of A union B the whole bar? Which is same as 1 minus P of A union B. Complementary events. P of E bar is 1 minus P of E. So it is 1 minus P of A union B. So it is 1 minus, what is P of A union B? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So that is 1 minus, what is P of A? 4 by 52 minus P of B, 13 by 52. This minus is common, isn't it? When you open the bracket, negative of negative, it will become positive 1 by 52, positive 1 by 52. Simplify this, you'll get the answer. Okay, here we are using De Morgan's law. And simplifying, what is the final answer?
Nine by 13.
9 by 13. Yes, correct. Is it Michael giving the answer? Good. It's 9 by 13. Just 9 by 13. Write the next question, children. Write the next one. An integer is chosen from 1 to 1000 at random. Integer is chosen from 1 to 1000. It is selected from 1 to 1000. An integer is selected from 1 to 1000. Find the probability. Find the probability. The integer is a. Find the probability that the integer is the multiple of 2 or 9. It is a multiple of 2 or 9. So an integer is selected from 1 to 1000. We want the selected number to be either a multiple of 2 or multiple of 9. So suppose we take A denotes multiple of 2. So what are the numbers you will get? Multiple of 2. So what are the possibilities? So multiples of 2 means it may be 2, 4, 6, etc. up to 1000, isn't it? Isn't it? So what is the probability of A? What is P of A? So how many numbers you will get? A multiple of 2 from 1 to 1000. From 1 to 1000, how many numbers are there as a multiple of 2? Yes. Yes, Punya? How many numbers are there between 1 to 1000, which are multiples of 2?
500.
500. So it is 500 by 1000. Now let us take B. B denotes multiple of 9. B denotes multiple of 9. So in B, which are the elements you will get? B, multiple of 9. So 9, 18, 27, etc. What will be the last elements? What is the last elements? What is the last number you will get multiple of 9? From 1000. 999. So we don't know how many numbers are there. So you can use AP, arithmetic progression you can use. Here the first term is 9, common difference is 9, and the nth term is 999. So you take AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So 999 is equal to A is 9 plus N minus 1 into 9. From here, find out what is the value of N. How many numbers are there between 1 to 999 which are divisible by 9? So what is the value of N?
111.
111. So N is 111. Therefore, what is P of B? P of B is 111 by 1000. Next, we have to find what is A intersection B. What is A intersection B? What is A intersection B? It is a multiple of 2 and multiple of 9. Multiple of 2 and multiple of 9 means these are multiples of 18, isn't it? 9 and 2, multiples of 2 and 9 means it is multiples of 18. So 18, 36, etc. Which is the last multiple you will get? Multiple of 18. It is the last number you'll get. Up to between 1 and 1000. Which is the number? You want an even number and a multiple of
990.
Yes, very good. It is 990. Here also we want to find N. We want to find N. So if you want, you can use 80. A is 80. Yes.
Ma'am, if we divide 990 by 18, we'll get the answer.
You get. So what is the value of N? Those who don't know, we can use AP and find out. So what is the value of N? And from here you can write down what is P of A intersection B. What is P of A intersection B? How many numbers are there? Multiple of 80. Shubham. Sania, what is the value of n, Sania?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay. Yes. The n is 55. So here you will get 55 by 1000. So P of A intersection B is 55 by 1000. So we want to find P of A union B, isn't it? So what is P of A union B? P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. What is the value of P of A? 500 by 1000 plus P of B 111 by 1000 minus 55 by 1000. Simplify this, you will get the numbers which are multiples of 2 or 9. Multiples of 2 or 9 you get. What is the answer, Gayatri?
556 by 1000.
556 by 1000 is the answer. Okay, so this formula only we call it as addition theorem of probability. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. We call it as addition theorem of probability. Use addition theorem for solving this question. Okay. Hope you all okay. Is it clear? Is it okay? Karthik? Okay. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Tomorrow we'll be doing more problems based on this. Okay. Then end the session now. Thank you. Okay.